Fluid levels must be checked on flat ground with the engine off and cold. Firstly, locate the opening control for your bonnet. It is located to the left of the dashboard. Get out of your vehicle, lift the bonnet slightly and push the safety tab near the Renault logo to release the bonnet. Then lift the bonnet. It stays in place on its own by means of these struts. To check your oil level, lift the dipstick. The level should be between the min and max marks. If the oil level is too low, your instrument panel will say "Top up oil." To top up, unscrew this cap and add some oil. The coolant is here. The coolant level should be between the min and max marks. If this needs topping up, it must be done with the engine cold. Use only products authorized by Renault. They provide your engine with anti-freeze protection as well as anti-corrosion protection for the cooling system. The brake fluid reservoir is located here. Check that the fluid is above the min warning level. If not, contact a specialist to top up the fluid in the hydraulic system. The battery requires no maintenance. You should never open it or top it up. If you have to replace it, contact a brand representative. Here is the screen wash reservoir. To fill, open the cap and fill until the fluid is visible. Always use suitable screen wash fluid. To close the bonnet, hold it in the middle and lower it around 30 centimeters above the closed position, then let it drop. It will automatically lock under its own weight.